that both of the technologies are key, working together and helping actually the industry to get rid of all the complex thinking that nowadays they have to do themselves, connecting those two worlds, the digital and real world. I think, Yusuf, maybe last question. If you think about the future of manufacturing, how would you describe it in a few words?
With the advances in computer, software, sensors, technology, everything has to be digital. Digital manufacturing means you can avoid costly physical trials, scrap rates, damaging machines, and in the first shot, do your best to avoid any problem by improving productivity and quality. It's possible only through digital manufacturing, and that's what we are trying to do. Model everything, predict everything, optimize everything, manufacturing before costly trials. That's our objective. And next step is even create digital twin. Simulation and the real machine must be working end-to-end together, because one is the actual one, the other is simulation one. They can help each other also to maintain good production on the machine. That we will do as well.
I think this is a great end work. So work hand in hand, work together. And I thank you both for being here today and giving us insights about real machining and digital machining. And I'm looking forward to a very brightful future together. Did you like this interview, or do you have any other question regarding how physics and geometries can work together? Then get in touch with us directly or follow us on other channels like LinkedIn and YouTube to get the full series of the interview and further content from us. Thank you.